Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a screw for the door assembly in your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is lost or damaged. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a T25 Torx bit. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we'll be using. It's a Maytag Maxima X. Keep in mind that yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So what we'll do here is just open up our door. And as you can see here, these are the kinds of screws that we're going to be talking about. It's a T25 Torx that you need to use to remove them. Now these screws are all over the door assembly. And you can see here on the door strike, we're actually missing a screw. So at this point, you're going to want to grab your new OEM replacement screw. And if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So as you can see here, the door strike is a bit loose. And now we'll put our screw in there, tighten it up. And now you can see it doesn't move at all. So now you can close your door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.